Hello there. So I welcome you to my channel. Ima Obibiara Akwaba. Asante Mampong, the occupant of the silver stool. Nana Osei Bonsu. Asante Mampong hine. Ye dino na watchida. Inti oshe video ya HA and HSA scenes from Asante Mampong. Live scenes from Asante Mampong. The program is just about to begin. It's just around 9 a.m. today, so as you have seen on your screen, now Osei Bonsu, our host MP, and then so Obey day. So today is going to be a very solemn day, and our host MP, Asante man, and Mampong, Chrono, and so Yedibefa, so Ashe, Abakosem, and Amani, Amamre. Asante memu efa se nipa titru se nipa kesi se ebehwere ne. These are funerals made for our royals, and these are going to be royal funerals, and so we should expect a lot of culture, things that you've never seen before being exhibited here. Stay tuned and do not forget to share, like, and subscribe to this channel. I will be updating you as and when it is needed.
And me ba me hu say akon bebre ekoso na obetumi akire mu kakra e dia ne ta ne etese ye hwehwe ewo media say
so hu say so hu tuntumi na hu akonfo bebre ya anche Asante Mampong bi she konkolo na Mampong se bo aka be ntia na mu na be she mu ha ya
Okay. Now, but Udi Angasa, what say? Okay. That's it. That's it. No, I am ready. I'm here, and never also. These are the royal guns being fired once again. This one did not fire. This one, another one, another one. These are the scenes at Mampong. The scenes at Ghanaian. So you look at the chiefs. So these are the stands for the various Asante man chiefs, and where you are still seeing the gun salute, witness of the gun salute. Now it's about to start. And we are supposed to go. The gun salute is about to begin. Let's see. Now the gun. These are the scenes at Mampong. are found in the Mampong area. And they are showing this honor of their